Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can get us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com. You can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a 191G Western Electric 3-slot payphone. These are really kind of the holy grail of payphones, and the 3-slotters are, and this is really a cool telephone. And Gloria sent this in from Kansas. So anyway, I want to show it to you a little bit. It's kind of the initial checkout. You can see the 191G there, and this telephone needs a modular port installed. It was a hardwired situation at one time, and we want to do away with that. We want to get that repaired. This telephone has some issues with it. I tried to dial with this telephone, and basically what happened was it's not breaking dial tone when you dial. So it's really a very nice subject to show you here. Now this payphone looks like it might be missing the little coin return flipper that you're used to. This telephone didn't have it. It's an earlier model, and it makes it worth a little more money because of that little flipper that you're used to seeing that you would pull down and get your change out of. This is an open change drawer, so that's pretty cool. Anyway, somebody has gotten to the lock, and they busted up the lock on it, and it's been converted through the years. Somebody took the coin, the vault door and lock out and put a plate in. We're going to try to install some type of a lock here for Gloria so she can use this as a bank and just drop money in. It's never going to work putting money in again to get the phone to work, but it will accept money, and it'll, you know, the bell will sound and the gong will sound when you drop the money through. Somebody did put a bell in it at one time. It swivels back and forth. It's loose. They only used one rivet there. There's a lot of kind of strange stuff going on with the wiring. Kind of went through this telephone a little bit, and if it ever did work, it didn't work for very long. It doesn't seem like it. It's kind of choppy. And I noticed right off, this broke off in my hand. It's the capacitor to the bell, but this is left. It was just sitting there like this, and that was left raw, uncovered, that connection there. And there's a network in the back of this faceplate. The coin validator's in, which is real cool. That's nice to have. There's your gong and your bell for your money when your money drops in. There's an old network that somebody put in, and it's pretty loose too. We're going to go through that and see if we can't tighten that up, but I'm going to see if that network is in good shape. If it is, we'll use it. It's been with it this long, so we'll just kind of go from there. But it's really a cool telephone, and we're going to get it all back together again here, and Gloria will be happy to get this back. But we need to put a modular port in it and go through the dial and find out why it's not breaking dial tone. We need to repair the bell and get that circuit back to normal. So this is just kind of the initial checkout video of this telephone before we kind of start working on it. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can get us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.